สวัสดีครับ Hello, welcome to Thailand Expat Language School. I'm Kru Alan. Today we will be talking about the secret to understanding Thai language for foreigners. If you want to learn Thai quickly and easily, stay tuned. The first thing to know when you start learning Thai is the basic sentence structure. In Thai, sentences follow a subject, verb, object, or they're just like English. For example, we say, I eat rice. I eat rice. ฉันกินข้าว Not I rice eat, like in Japanese, right? If you say, I rice eat, it will be wrong in Thai language นะครับ You should say, I eat rice. ฉันกินข้าว Alright? Making negative and question sentences in Thai is super easy. Just add the word ไม่ before the verb for negative sentence like ฉันไม่กินข้าว it means I don't eat rice ฉันไม่กินข้าว I don't eat rice for questions add ไหม at the end like คุณกินข้าวไหม คุณกินข้าวไหม which mean do you eat rice do you eat rice simple right next up is modifying nouns in Thai we always put the noun first and the adjective after so instead of saying hot tea like in English we say tea hot which means ชาร้อน in Thai right to see the meaning ชา which mean tea and hot which mean ร้อนนะครับร้อน mean hot นะ we say ชาร้อนนะครับ we don't say ร้อนชา as English is hot tea นะครับ we don't say like this we say tea hot now let's take a look at the sound in Thai we have 44 consonants letters but only 21 actual sounds don't worry if it seems a bit tricky at first just listen and practice and you will get it and then Thai vowel are a bit more complex we have 32 vowels but the good news is that many come in short long pairs or are combination making them easier to learn the biggest challenge for most learners is Thai tone changing the tones of a word can completely change its meaning for example the word ปลา mid tone ปลา means to throw ปา mean to throw but ป้านะครับป้า falling tone ป้า means aunt so mastering tone is really important all right that's all for today I hope this video help you better understand Thai language don't forget to like share and subscribe to our channel thanks for watching and see you in the next video สวัสดีครับ